tears, pain. You never left my side, you remained the same. And I'm so glad that you love me.
Hey Gems, it's Tayshawn Miller. Y'all, I already know I said I was coming back to YouTube, so I got a lot of treats for you guys. Like when I tell you I have a lot of treats, I have a lot of treats for you guys. And I'm gonna be doing a lot of giveaways and stuff like that. So please make sure that you I don't know, people are telling me that when they unsubscribe and then subscribe back to my channel, that they get my notifications. So if you need to unsubscribe and subscribe, I'll wait right now. Go do it. Unsubscribe, then subscribe again. Hit the notification so you get everything. Okay, so now that we got that out the way, today I am doing a video. I'm actually grateful for this video. A company reached out to me. They know I be making wigs and whatnot, so they wanted to bless me with a little gift. And also I'm gonna do it like a show and tell. But at the end of the video, I am going to be doing a giveaway from my own, something that I got that I would want to give. I'm sorry, I was reading the message. So anyways, so the company is called Leeven, L-E-E-V-E-N. I'm reading it from the stock card. And they blessed me with this cute kit. And like, yeah, it's so cute. So I haven't opened it. I opened this part because you know I wanted to see what it was. So first and foremost, I want to talk a little bit about the company. They are very, very awesome. When they reached out to me, they told me they wanted to send me such and such. They sent it to me. I got it with no problems, no error. We did do a couple of messages back and forth because I think it was around the time of a holiday. So I kind of thought it was going to be a barrier with them understanding what I was saying, but it wasn't. They understood everything perfectly that I was saying. They wrote me back quickly and everything. So yeah, I'm going to put their link in my description box. So this is the gorgeous little bag that it comes in. Y'all, it's so cute. Like, this is so cute. Don't tell me this bag ain't cute. I mean, it could have been purple, but it's still cute nonetheless. So let's go ahead and open it and see what I, and it's sturdy too, y'all. Like, you can put some, y'all can carry other stuff in here. This could be like a little overnight bag or something. Okay, so the first thing that's right at the top is the part that you put on the mannequin. So it's the nozzle that it go on, the spin thingy, and then the part that hooks onto the table. So the part that hooks onto the table, the spin thingy, and the nozzle that the mannequin actually go on. And don't worry about my nails, child. I'm going to get them done when this video is over. So the second thing I have, ooh, I love T-pins, y'all. Like, I love T-pins. I got so many. Uh-oh. They wasting out. Okay. The pack gets split. So they gave me 1,000 T-pins and some wig combs. As you can see, those are the wig combs. Okay. And is that it? Yeah, okay, that's it. And the actual mannequin head. Now, I actually like this one better than the other mannequin head that I was sent from another company, because this one is like a cork and it's more, I feel like it's more sturdy. And this is a 22-inch. I don't know if you can see there, 22-inch. And I'm definitely feeling this one. The other one, I didn't like it because it was like a hard, felt like styrofoam or something. I mean, it's good, but yeah. So like I said, this is a 22-inch, which is good for my clients that have smaller heads. So now I have a 22-inch. The other company sent me a 24-inch, and then I have a 23-inch. So you want to always make sure you have like all those different inches when you're dealing with mannequin heads, because there's a couple of times that I make wigs for clients and they were either too big or too small, and I had to figure out that everybody ain't the same. So once again, this is Leeven. And the price of this was really awesome, guys. It's $24.50. So, I mean, y'all might want to check them out. And I want to thank you so much, Leeven, or Leeven, however you pronounce your company name. I'm sorry if I'm butchering it, for reaching out to me and sending me this gorgeous mannequin head set. Now for the giveaway, y'all. So I know some of y'all may be a little curious about this, what I'm wearing in my head. I'm sorry, let me pick up these T-pins that fell. So, okay, let me just put this down, y'all. Let me just go ahead and put this down. Okay, so a little bit about this in my head. So, originally, I wanted to do like a little bob with some curly hair, right? And the hair was a reasonable price. So y'all know me, I didn't really know what I wanted to do. I didn't know if I wanted to do it long, medium, or short. So I brought 6 bundles of hair. Why I did that, I would never know. But I brought a 10, 12, and 14. And then I brought a 14, 16, and 18, which is what I have in my head now. And I ended up using the 14, 16, and 18, which is in now. It's a full 360 sewing in the middle. And yeah. So for the giveaway part, because I don't have a use for the other bundles, the 14, the 10, and the 12, I was like, oh, well, why don't you just give them to somebody? Just literally give them to one of your beautiful subscribers. So, in honor of me coming back, there's just one thing that I want you to do to enter, and that is go on my channel and share whichever video you like the most, or it doesn't even have to be a video you like the most, just whatever video you feel that other people should see. Share it on your social media. I prefer it to be on Facebook because I'm not really on Twitter, but if you put it on Twitter, that's fine. I'll get on there and look for you. So what you have to do is in the comment section, just kindly type in, I shared the video, my social media is blah, 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 so I can go and make sure the video is shared. Now, once I find a winner, I will announce the winner and I'll send you your bundles, okay? So once again, and the name of this hair is called Boho Deep, y'all. Let me let y'all get into these curls, honey. Get into it, baby. Get into it. Get into it. Get into it. And I literally just did it, so it's still setting right now. So I still have like a little casting around my hairline, but I didn't want any baby hair. I think it looks pretty good, pretty natural. You know, it looks like my scalp. You can look all the way up in there. It looks like my scalp. So once again, it's Boho Deep, but you probably can't see it. Yeah, you can. Boho Deep. And it's going to be a 10, 12, and 14. If you want to do something like what I got, I would suggest you put the 10 to the bottom, the 12, and then the 14 on the top. So it's like a reversible bob, because that's what I did so that I can get it to look like this, because I really hate when the hair looks long and stringy. I wanted it to look more uniform. So yeah, this is what I got. So definitely, if you are interested in this giveaway, this is not the only giveaway. I got plenty of more that I will be doing myself. I mean, unless a company comes at me and be like, okay, well, here, we want you to give this hair away, then that's fine. But other than that, the giveaways that I'm going to be doing for the next month or so are going to be all for me. It's just like so much hair that I buy. And then when companies bless me with hair to do videos for them, I don't even get to use the hair that I be done brought. So I literally have hair just sitting on top of hair, on top of hair, on top of hair. And I'm like, you know what? Like, that's really selfish of me to just keep all this hair at my house and not do nothing with it. Why not I just go ahead and just do a giveaway? It'll help me with my channel and just bless somebody with it. I mean, it's not no big deal. You know what I mean? So thanks again, everybody, for all the welcomes back. I mean, you guys were so cool last night when I did my live video. And I mean, not my live video, my video premiere, and you guys were welcoming back, telling me how much you miss me. I definitely miss you guys too. But you know, every once in a while, everybody have to have a getaway. We have to, or we'll go crazy. Especially me, I'll go crazy. So I don't want to go crazy. So I'd rather just take a little, you know, a little break, come back, brand new, renewed, and all that good stuff like that. All right. So I will see you guys in my next video. I love y'all. Please, please, please tell a friend about my channel. Ask them to subscribe. And I'll see you all in my next video.
I'ma pray until something happens. No more out of life.